first is go to Wi-Fi or your SSID. So example, this is my SSID, which is ICSC content window. Okay, and then connect. So this one is connected, and then you will go to the dashboard 10.0.0.1/admin. So this is the admin password. Okay, and then we have the dashboard. So, this is directed kay nakasulod naman siya. And then, sa inyo is enter ninyo inyong user, admin, and then the password is Wi-Fi 5 soft. Or, depende na sa inyo kung unsay inyong igamit nga password. Okay, in this case, is used to set the time rate and then the bandwidth. So first is go to the system and then settings, and then this is the overview, and then drop down and find the main window. So this is the main window, and then there are three dots. So click yung three dots and then click the rates to change the rate. So example, this one is 1 pesos is 10 minutes. So you can change into depende on yours. So example is himuon nimo 15 minutes. So arrow, arrow, and then until makita nimo ang 15 minutes. Okay? So balik na ako sa default. So mo 10 minutes. So 30 or sa imong 5 is 30 nakabutang, and then you have 2 hours and 30 minutes. So example himuon nimo 3 hours, imo nang i-arrow. And then so na-set na sa 3 hours. So ibalik lang nato sa default niya. 2 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, so these are the example. If i-disable nimo yung 50 pesos, 100 pesos, so i-uncheck lang na nimo. Pag enable nimo, i-check lang nimo. And then save. So this one for another bandwidth validity. So example, imong Mbps imong i-listen og 10 Mbps. So click the 5 and then you can change to 10 Mbps. So these are the download and upload. So this case is 5 Mbps ang nakaset sa kuha. And then i-save lang na nimo and then i-close. And then rename. So saan nimo pag-rename? So by the way, so kung gusto nimo imuhang i-post, so doon na siya yung mga pushable din na. So asa man nato makita? There's a window, and then bandwidth validity. So imong i-post siya. Pila imong gusto i-post ng limit. So pila ka validity. So example, mag-post ko og 5 posts. And then validity na ko until 1 day. So 1 day iyang validation. So since nga wala siya i-post, so wala na ko ipa-post. And then close na. So that's all. And thank you.